Hello guys and welcome to another video. In this video I will be showing you how to make t-shirts in Roblox. So first go to the Roblox Create website to create the t-shirt. Then go to Creations. Then Avatar Items. And Classics. Then press Upload Assist and upload any image you want for it. Then press Upload. Also, if you want to make it on sale, press the 3 dots and Analytics. Then Configure. Then make it on sale and add the amount of Robux you want it to be. Also, if you want to publish it, it will cost you 10 Robux, so be aware of that. And it will also add a button in Please Donate or any other donation game. Now let's wear it. And there it is, there is the t-shirt. And that was it. That was the tutorial, guys. Also, thanks for watching.
Goodbye!